respected teachers and my dear colleagues, as we all know that today we are here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. I would like to recite a speech in front of you all, my dear friends. 2 October is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day with great enthusiasm every year to pay the tribute to the father of the nation as remember his courageous deed on the way of independence struggle for the country from the British rule. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is, as you all know, that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu and Father of Nation. 2nd October is also celebrated as internationally as the International Day of Non-Violence. It is declared as the International Day of Non-Violence by the United Nations in year 2007. He was born on 2nd October 1869. He was a lawyer by profession. As we all know that we are in education section, so we have to focus on basically more focused on the education what Gandhi did in education field. So basically he focused on the education which has education with character building, education for all, or free education for all. Learning through a local language, as we all know that it is included in NEP 2020 also. And the basic education which is called by him in Nai Talim. Apart from all that, Gandhiji established Gujarat Vidyapit in 1920s, as well as Bihar Vidyapit during the time of non-cooperation movement. Apart from that, we have also several achievements of Gandhiji, and Gandhiji, as we all know that Gandhiji also belonging from the professional social reformer as well as a educational background as a lawyer, and he is an eminent knowledgeable person. So he write several books and magazine also. His famous book is My Experiment with Truth, and apart from that, he also wrote several magazines like Sanjeevani, Harijan, and Indian Opinion. Thank you.